cables to window shades open and seatbelt security fastened. We will be coming around to assist you as you prepare for our arrival. Please refrain from removing anything from the aircraft and ensure that your cell phones are in airplane mode.
What's up, everybody? I'm back in the Philippines, but I have a big problem. Literally minutes before I headed to SFO a few days ago, I left my Sony A7C, which is my main shooting camera for this channel, in my truck. But don't worry, folks. I have a whole bunch of extra gear. It's just used to just using the A7C because it's point and shoot, ready to go. Biggest issue is I don't really have a quality microphone, hence this iPhone. But it's all good. So what we're gonna do for this week's video is we're gonna do a challenge. We're gonna have Carla pick from a hat certain combinations, and we're gonna do a cooking video today using only the combination that Carla picks. Let me show you what I have. So obviously I have the iPhone, which I'm using here. I have this dope Insta360 that I bought while I was in California. So I mean, this is like a one and done, and it does 360. So I have this. I have a gimbal, GorillaPod, and then what I'm shooting on right now, which is my original Canon EOS 6D. And that is what I'm messing with for the next 30 to 40 days. This challenge will force me to be creative. It'll force me to learn how to actually use the 360 if it's picked, or to go retro with the EOS 6D or the handy dandy iPhone. So let's see what Carla and Ren pick for me today to shoot a cooking video. Canon plus Log plus iPhone. I lucked out, not gonna lie. A pretty favorable combination, in my opinion, to make a cooking video. The only thing I guess that is going against me is I haven't used the Canon in a long time. The autofocus isn't really that good. There's no like pull out selfie camera, so you have to make sure everything's in focus all the time. If you watch all of my old videos, half of it's like out of focus. It feels good to be back in the Philippines. I was talking to Carla about it. Coming back a second time feels different. You know, I don't feel like a tourist anymore. I feel like this is truly like my second home. The culture shock of it all is kind of gone. And just coming up from Manila to Pampanga, it just felt right. You know, don't get me wrong. California will always be my first home, my real home, but I feel more aligned here now compared to the first time around. So, yeah, feels good. Feels good to be back in the Philippines. Now all I gotta do is go to the grocery store, get some ingredients, and then we're gonna start a cooking video. Bex, ano gusto mo kainin? Is that right? Anong gusto mo kainin? Isda? Gusto mo isda? Oh, sige. Babes, what do you want to eat for lunch?
Oh,
Anong gusto mo kainin?
crap.
Can you hold this?
Tilapia.
Okay, Bex wanted isda as well. Damn it. This is how I make escabeche isda. Today we're going with tilapia because that's what Wifey and Bex wanted. But also, tilapia is an amazing pan-fried fish. Let's start off with the Filipino Holy Trinity. Onions, garlic, and ginger. Slice one onion mince 1 bulb of garlic, and julienne about 2 ounces of ginger. Most Filipino dishes involve at least 2 of 3 of these ingredients. At least at my restaurant they do. Next, we'll julienne 1 carrot, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and finally slice up 5 fresh baby corn. Next is the tilapia. Don't forget to score the fish for proper fish fry. All right, everybody, reporting live from my dirty kitchen. What is a dirty kitchen? It's just an extra kitchen, separate from your regular kitchen, for things like frying tilapia. All right, let's get to it. I was feeling fancy today, so I used some EVOO to fry the tilapia. When the oil's at 350 degrees, add tilapia carefully to the pan. I fried each side for about 8 minutes. Escabeche requires a crispy fish. When your tilapia is ready, set aside for later. Now it's time to saute your veg. Start off with the garlic, onion, and ginger. Cook until garlic is golden brown and onions are slightly caramelized. Finally, we're gonna season with salt and pepper, and then we're gonna add our final touch, sweet chili sauce. Fun fact about this sweet chili sauce, what they had available at the grocery store was a Jufran branded chili sauce, something I've never seen before. Next, we'll reduce down the olive oil and sweet chili sauce blend to about 2/3, and voila, you're ready to move to plating. Before we pour over the escabeche, we need to season the tilapia one more time because you can never season too much. Next, we're gonna smother the fried fish with the escabeche blend, and there you go, folks. You have your escabeche ista. Don't forget to season with a little bit of cilantro and serve over a bed of rice. Enjoy, folks. I just want to take this moment to ask y'all, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, share with a friend, and most importantly, I just want to thank you guys for coming along this ride with me on this YouTube channel. I really enjoy doing this, and I couldn't do it without y'all. The road to 1,000 is upon us. Okay. All right, what's up? What's up, everybody? Reporting live from my dirty kitchen. What's up, everybody? Reporting live from my dirty kitchen. We are gonna fry the tilapia. If you don't have a dirty kitchen, this is what it is. It's just a separate kitchen from your.
What did your breastman say?
Okay, so here are the rules. I will have to shoot a cooking video only with these combinations. So we're gonna either go iPhone and gimbal, 360 camera only, or tripod and the Canon EOS 6D. Oh, you know what? I forgot to point out that I have this log here, and I think this is like the only way I can really.
Oh!
That's good. You want one too? You want a camera hug?
Okay.
Where's the Air France lounge?
We are at the airport.
I'm definitely gonna go to Air France.
Going home.